Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, if you're not familiar, Ipsy is a monthly beauty bag. They do focus on skincare and makeup. You do get to set a profile, and they have 3 different options available. The first one is for $13, and that'll get you 5 sample size or deluxe sample size products inside. The next one, which is the Glam Bag Plus, is $28, and you get 5 full-size products inside. Then they have the Glam Bag X, which is $55, and that comes quarterly and will come instead of the Glam Bag X for that corresponding month. And you get about 7 to 8 full-size products in that box. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for November. When you open it, this is what it looks like inside. Now, obviously, there's something that doesn't fit in my bag, or it was an add-on. Let's see what that is. This is Restore Perfecting Spray. It goes beyond moisture for strength, smoothness, and shine. I imagine this is for your hair. It is a conditioning detangling spray. Now, I don't have detangling problems, but I didn't order this. So this came along with my bag. This is the bag, a nice little cheetah print. You do get a regular makeup bag in the smaller bag as well. So you get a bag each month. Now, this is what it looks like inside there. And let's see, shop Black Friday. Okay, Creature Comforts is the theme this week, and we don't have it listed. As I go, I will go ahead and put the prices of each item right there. So the first thing I am pulling out is Essentials by Derma E. It is a microderm abrasion scrub, citrus oil blend and Dead Sea salt. Let me show that to you. And it says glow on and on and on. This fine-textured crystal blend buffs away dullness and smooths the look of fine lines for a healthier, more youthful appearance. Apply to wet skin, gently scrub for about a minute, and then rinse with warm water. Let's take a peek at this. That's what it looks like. It's like a white cream. Ooh, I smell the citrus, very lemony. I can feel the little scrubbies. It's very fine, which I like. I don't like giant pieces of stuff trying to scuff away things. This feels really good. Oh, it smells wonderful. Just like lemons. That's that. The next thing I am pulling out is by Wander Beauty. It is a lip retreat oil. Oh, good. This is tinted tan lines. Let's go ahead and break that open so we can take a look at it. I'm out of my other lip oil, so this will be nice. Lip retreat oil. Oh, that's dark. This is a lip oil? I can't use that. Well, because of the fine lines around my mouth, that'll just go right into that. But that's a really pretty color. So what does it say? Say hello to a total lip hydration with Lip Retreat, a luxurious lip-loving formula with the treatment of an oil and the shine of a gloss. Nutrient and antioxidant rich Rosa Canina fruit oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E provide nourishment and hydration to the lips. Wear alone or layer on top of your favorite lip color. Use daily, morning, and night, and throughout the day as needed. Nice. It is dark, though. It's really dark. I'm trying to see if it's going into my lines of my hand. It is a little bit, but I'm going to have to test it out and see how it goes for me. If it goes in all my little fine lines, then I'll probably give it to my daughter. She doesn't have any lines yet. Oh, to be young again. Okay, so we have that. Next is Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. This is by First Aid Beauty. Safe for sensitive skin. What does it say? Dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance. Apply as needed. Let's take a look. So we have this kind of pump. It's a nice cream. It's not too thick. Yeah, it's just for day use, I would say. Feels very soft. It's soaking in nicely. I can't smell anything other than the product. No, oh, that feels nice and soft. Yes. Love it. And this is this is even a good travel size at 1.7 ounces. And then I have another thing. Let's see what this is. I can't read it. This is a finishing powder. Rhina Rebelled. I can't read that. Can you guys read that? Why do they do that? We can't read that. Rhina Rebelled. So it's Rhina Rebelled is who makes this. Ooh, pretty roses on the inside of the box. So this is a finishing powder. And these are hard to open. Oh, okay. This actually looks quite yellow for me. It might work. It's light enough. I don't know if I want to swatch it, because if I decide I don't want to use this, then I am going to put it in a giveaway. Now I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers, so smash that subscribe button, and when I hit 500, then we're going to have an awesome giveaway. I have a feeling that this is going to be in that giveaway. I've got all kinds of stuff stashed away for it. Ooh, look at the front. Didn't even notice. There we go. Look at that. Look at that artwork. Very pretty. Now, the last thing in my bag is by Rhina Rebelled, we've discovered. Let's see what this is. It looks like a face palette. This is On Your Face eye color palette. I like the texture. Ooh, same artwork. Now there is no mirror, but we have a blush, a pretty dark highlighter, and then we have 4 eye shade colors. There's no mirror. So that's what that looks like. This is too dark for me for a highlighter, but I can use it on the lid of my eyes. And I do like the other colors. That would have been good for me today since I'm wearing purple. And that is what we got. We got an eyeshadow palette, a face powder, lip oil, microdermabrasion, a moisturizer, and a perfecting spray. That is what I have for you for Ipsy this month. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.